In this video, guys, I want to do a part 2 on the Harbor Freight multi-purpose pump sprayer. Now in the first video, I talk about the great features and overall build quality of the pump sprayer. And I continue to be pretty impressed with the performance and durability, because now I've had this for several months, and in using it, I have found to be very durable. However, in the first video, you guys may remember that I complained about not being able to see the markings on the bottle. And so one of my subscribers suggested that I just get a Sharpie marker and then color in the markings. And I thought, oh, that's not a bad idea. So I got some rubbing alcohol and I got the Sharpie marker. And the purpose of the rubbing alcohol is just to clean the area you're going to apply the Sharpie ink to ahead of time. And I went ahead and colored the markings. And take a look at this, guys. So what's wrong with that picture? While the markings were raised, so it was fairly easy just to run the Sharpie marker along the raised sections and make it black so you can read it. The problem is that the numbers are crooked and cockeyed. And so I just think it looks terrible. So yes, this is a way to use this. And I mean, really for a $5 pump sprayer, you can make the argument, who cares how it looks? But I just think it's so funny that, Harbor Freight couldn't get their vendor to make this with straight numbering so it would look good. And so as a result, it appears they decided originally not to make the numbers or the markings visible or more visible for a reason. They're all crooked. So while this works, guys, and while I've been very, very happy with it and feel like it's a very, very good pump sprayer, very durable, very strong, can take a lot of abuse, has metal where other ones have plastic. This has metal. Love the cone that you can adjust the nozzle, so the cone is great. I love the fact that you can press this in as you're going, so you can just keep the sprayer going without having to hold it. You can just let it go by itself and it'll spray whatever you need. Great stuff, but the markings is just, that's a no bueno by Harbor Freight. Now, it may be, guys, that they're coming out with a new, improved version of this with better markings on it. So in the store, you may even want to just take it out of the package and take a look at it. And if it's all crooked like this one, then you may not want to get it if the aesthetic part is going to bother you. And if not, don't worry about it. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to follow up. That was the only issue I had with this bottle, is that the markings were not clear. And then when I made them clear with the Sharpie marker, they're not done that well and are kind of crooked. So just wanted to make you aware of it. Hope you guys are doing well. Appreciate you guys a ton. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.